National People's Party की President su Oiriba Meghalaya की Chief Minister Conrad के Sangma Manipur Da Athubada Eng Tappa Puraknaba communities KHUDINGMAK AMADI political party KHUDINGMAKNA PUNNA HOTNAMINNABA tangai fade haiba appeal tauki numit nini ki khongsata Manipur da lakhiba Conrad ke Sangmana classic grande Imphal da paumi singa unaba amada mahakhatana mahakna hai hojik tholiba irang asina mai amuk hena awaba ohenba Natana Kanaba Karishu Purakpa Laite, Mipum KHUDINGMAKNA Amaga Marakta Tazanaba Lairaba Matamda, Apun Magishaktam Lakani Haiwafam Tamki, Mahaki Kongsetta, Meitei Naga Amadi Tonganba Civil Society Organization Amadi, Stakeholder Singa, Unaduna Wari Shaki Amadi IDP Singna, Lairiba Lipkem Singda, Haktengana Satuna, Unaki Luinana, Manipurgi Governor Ajay Kumar Balagasu, Unaduna Wari Shaki, Luinana National People's Party ki thabak thoram singda miyam na thajaba thamduna support tobiu amadi party ki maikai dagisu miyam gi yaifana ba thabak thoram sing kaya pakhatuna Eng Tappa chawkhat palamdam ama ohennaba honagani haiba wafam su thamki.
So yesterday also there was a harvesting program that was was going on, and there were enough police forces from both sides, and both the police forces with proper communication were instructed to restrain their own people and not to engage with the other side. So both the police were restraining their own population to not be aggressive and to cool down and to be able to allow the entire process to be done in a peaceful manner. But while that restraining was going on, the crowd size increased. There were large numbers, and there was a scuffle between two groups of people from both sides, and during that scuffle one person lost his life, and as I said, this was between the people. I said that there was so many people around that the police was engaged. Not engaging means they were controlling the population from their side, but the scuffle that took place on the sides, this led to the death of that particular individual. It was purely public to public. There was no enforcement agency that was involved from either side. There was no lethal, any kind of lethal action or anything that was taken. So it was a pure scuffle, and as I said, in that scuffle between the public, one person lost his life. So we are appealing to our citizens from both sides that that while the governments are trying to resolve and find a peaceful solution for the long term, we have done it for 6 areas of differences. So there were 12 areas of differences. For the last 52 years, no government took this initiative. It is only during our time that we took the initiative and resolved 6 locations. And 6 more are left, and we're working towards that. So we urge that allow the governments to engage and talk while we resolve it. And whatever problems are there locally, if the people cooperate and talk to each other, we'll be able to resolve it. But it's a very unfortunate incident, and I appeal that we should not resort to violence, but we should look at dialogue to resolve it.